If you want to turn off lasso selection in AutoCAD, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to do it in just a few clicks. Lasso selection can be useful in some workflows, but if you prefer the classic selection method in AutoCAD, you can disable it and bring back the normal window and crossing selection behavior. This is especially helpful if the lasso feature keeps getting in the way while you're trying to select objects more precisely. If this video helps, please hit like and subscribe for more AutoCAD tips and tutorials. Now let's get started. First, go to the command line in AutoCAD, type options, and then press enter. This opens the options window where you can change many of AutoCAD's core settings. Once the options box appears, look along the top and click the selection tab. The selection tab contains settings that control how objects are selected, how grips behave, and how selection tools work inside AutoCAD. Now inside the selection tab, find the option that says allow press and drag for lasso. This is the setting that enables lasso selection. To disable it, simply uncheck that box. Once it is unchecked, AutoCAD will stop using lasso selection and will return to the standard selection behavior you're probably more used to. After that, click Apply to save the change and then click OK to close the options window. That's all it takes. Once you've done this, lasso selection will be turned off and you should now have the normal window and crossing selection behavior back in AutoCAD. If you ever want to turn lasso selection back on later, just follow the same steps again and recheck that box. This setting is easy to toggle anytime you want. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more AutoCAD how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.